meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Hey everybody, if you get a chance and we get some breaks in the clouds this evening, check this out. This was a couple nights ago. Lisa sent me this picture from rural Clay County, and actually the Jupiter and Venus will be a little closer together tonight. They've been getting closer together, but you'll see the moon and then Venus and Jupiter out there in the western sky right after the sun goes down. So hopefully the clouds will break and we can get a view of that. I also wanted to show you this. Last night, if you're watching the late news, I showed some pictures from Savannah, who used to be here as our meteorologist in the morning. She's now up in Rockford, Illinois at her sister station. This is their tower. They had an ice storm up there yesterday. If you look here on the guy wires and on the tower, there is a lot of ice. As a matter of fact, so much ice, they had to evacuate the TV station. There's nobody there now because they were not sure of the safety of this. So a lot of ice problems still exist across northern Illinois into the southern portion of the Great Lakes from the ice storm that came yesterday. They will be warming up there, but not until the weekend. We've got colder air moving in here and there for the overnight. As a matter of fact, we have dropped, look at this, 62 the high to 42. That's where we are now. We have dropped 20 degrees from the afternoon down. So the colder air is moving in. Back in 2017, we hit 70 for the record high. 2 years before that, 2015, one below for the record low. We did not get any precipitation here after midnight. So we're holding at 1.95 for the month, a little bit shy of the monthly average. However, we got one more shot coming up on Sunday night, Monday, with another fairly big storm that will bring some more rain. So we might get up there, maybe even a little bit above the average. We'll see how it pans out. 6.3 on the Wabash River in Terre Haute with the recent rain, even though it wasn't real heavy. The river is coming back up some now in the Terre Haute area. So we're looking at colder weather moving in for tonight, no doubt about that. Cooler weather for tomorrow, although near normal. Warmer weekend, and then a storm to start next week and potentially a storm to end next week. So we'll end February and we'll start March with some stormy weather, it looks like, as we head into next week. At the airport in Terre Haute, we're down to 42. However, we got this northwest wind at 13, so it feels like 35. The wind chill's at 35 degrees, and that's going to drop quite a bit as well. It's still 55 in Bedford, but it's only 35 in Danville, so you can definitely see that colder air moving in. Look at this to the northwest of here. Des Moines, Iowa has 18, but there's a breeze. It feels like 2. That's it. There's a lot of cold air. We're going to get a shot of that tonight and into the day for tomorrow. Our next storm, by the way, coming down the west coast. This is one that we'll be watching for Sunday night into Monday in this area. And again, it could be another fairly potent storm as it crosses the country. In the meantime, we just have some colder air moving in, a little bit of cloud cover, maybe a few little sprinkles down to the south on the Dorset Automotive Doppler radar way down here. Maybe a brief light shower, some sprinkles, but that really is about it. So overnight, we're talking other than that, dry weather. Tomorrow looks fine. It'll be cooler, but normal. Now, tomorrow night into early Saturday morning, we may get just enough moisture. See this? To maybe have a snowflake or a raindrop here, there. Minor, nothing big, it looks like, out of that. That'll all be moving out of the area by Saturday morning. And then the rest of Saturday looks okay. We start warming back up, and actually it looks like another good weekend settling in here in the valley. So here's your forecast for tonight then. Temperatures will be colder. We'll drop down to about 24, but the wind chill will be about 15, give or take. So a cold night tonight. Then during the day tomorrow, cool but normal. Daytime high of about 43 with partly cloudy skies. And then after that, as we take it to the weekend, temperatures bounce right back up. As a matter of fact, look at these highs on Saturday, 52, near 60 on Sunday. Pretty potent storm on Monday may bring showers and storms. Behind that, we'll watch another storm possible by the end of next week. That's a wrap on the forecast. Sports after the break.